Okay, guys, today in the Profit Squad was another success, man. So we're officially in the bear market. So what that means is if you're looking for the market to go up, it has a higher chance of going down because, you know, pretty much we needed to hold 75,000 and we didn't do that. What's the price of Bitcoin? We shorted at 67,000 and it went to 65,000. Okay, Solana, some of these prices of these altcoins haven't been this low since 2023, right? So that's why Bitcoin's dominance is going down. Bitcoin's dominance is going down because these, like I said, these altcoin prices hasn't been this low since 2023. So we see how it played out. You know, one of the ways to approach the market is you can dollar cost average. That's always a safe thing to do. So when you're investing, make sure you're investing to things that's going to be here to stay. And you're not just investing to get rich quick schemes. So what I mean by that is invest into Bitcoin and invest in Ethereum. And you can invest in, you know, traditional bonds, stocks, you know, stuff like that. But investing, always, what I teach people in the Profit Squad, always think wealth. Don't just think short term. Life is good. It's by 2. I woke up at 9:30. By 9:35, I was done with my whole day. Did y'all hear what I said? By 9:35, I was done with my whole day. I woke up, opened the charts, still had crust in my eyes. By 9:35, we shorted the market, call it a day. The market did a double top. For those of you that don't know what a double top is, we looked at the total crypto market cap, and it looks like this. It goes up, pulls back, and back up at the top, and then goes straight down. Now, those people on Wall Street, they tried to think they were slick. They did a little bit of manipulation. At the beginning of the market open, there's always going to be manipulation. So, you let the peasants that's desperate for money, you let them go out there and face the manipulation. You sit back, do what you do, and then you let all the peasants, oh, I got to get the money quick. I got to get the money quick. Let them be desperate, and then you go get the money. So what I teach people is how to trade crypto with leverage. If you want to learn how to join and trade crypto with leverage, join the Profit Squad, which you can find in the description. So I'm going to give y'all very instructions. This is the era to get rich, man. Look at life. Look at the water. We about to be traveling the world, and I'm going to take y'all through all this journey, bro. So look, sign up for BitUnix. All the links I put in the description, just make sure y'all follow all my socials. Sign up for everything. Join the Profit Squad, bro. What makes us the #1 group is it doesn't matter who's president. It doesn't matter what day it is. We getting this money. And every day, I just got to 15,000 followers on TikTok. But every day, the community is growing. So every day, the rich is getting richer. I always tell people, the rich is getting richer. What are you doing? If you're not getting richer daily, you're doing something wrong. And it don't take a lifetime. See, the generation before us, they thought that it take 30 years. Now it only takes 30 seconds if you do it right. It's easier to make a lot of money in a short time than a lot of money over long periods of time. Y'all know what I'm saying? So I'm out here, look, South Beach. I'm waiting for all of you guys to get rich. So we come out here on the beach, make this bag, travel the world. Let me know what y'all think about in these videos. I'm gonna be doing these daily videos to try to blow up this channel. And then I wanted to like get all this fancy equipment, but I realized I don't need fancy equipment, bro. I speak with so much power. I don't need anything besides the man above. So if you want to be part of our journey, man, join the Profit Squad. Join the Profit Squad. First link.